This conference will
So
now be
today
recorded.
I'm going to discuss about declarative rules. Sir, today I'm going to discuss about declarative rules. What are the different types of declarative rules are available in PEGA? Sir, what are the different types of declarative rules are available? What type of scenarios we can create a declarative rules? What type of scenarios we can create a declarative rules? There is no difference. Sometimes people will ask you, what is the difference between decision rules and declarative rules? What is the difference between the declarative rules and the decision rules? Like that, people will ask you. Okay, what is the difference between the decision rules and declarative rules? Like that. Okay. Okay. Declarative rules. On what basis? Okay. Okay. Before going to discuss about declarative rules, on what basis we will create a decision rules? Property basis. Property condition basis. We will create a decision rules. Agree? Come on. Property basis, we will create a decision rules. Yes or no? Properties only, right? Okay,
Yes,
okay, when you are creating a declarative decision rules, okay, we will create and then we will specify the properties and then property values. We will specify. Similarly, declarative rules also can be created based upon properties. So now based upon the properties, we will create a declarative rules. It can be created based upon the properties. Okay. So decision rules manually we need to call either in a section, okay, either in a activity level or flow level or data transform level or data transform level. Okay. So data transform level we can call. But what about declarative rules? Sir, automatically declarative rules will trigger. Okay, wherever we are referring the properties, automatically it will call or trigger. Okay, declarative rules. Okay, name itself it is showing. Automatically it will trigger the declarative rules. Wherever we are referring the properties, automatically it will call the declarative rules. But manually, we need to call the decision rules. Okay. So what are the different types of declarative rules are available? Types of declarative rules. Sir, what are the different types of declarative rules are available? One is the declare on change. Sir, declare expression. Okay, declare expression. Next one is the declare on change. Declare constraint. Okay, declare trigger. Okay, declare index. Okay, data pages. Sir, old versions, okay, PEGA 6 version up to PEGA 7.1.6 version, we can call as a declarative, declarative pages. Okay, declarative pages like that we can call. Okay, these are the different types of declarative rules are available. Sir, mostly I can say 100%. Okay, you will not get any chance to create a declarative rules. Okay, either you will get the chance to create a declare declare expression. sometimes okay, you will get the chance to create a declare expression. Sometimes you will get the chance to create a declare index. Data page is common. Okay, you will get the chance. Okay, you need to create many scenarios, whatever scenario they are assigning based upon scenario. Okay, you need to create a declare. Okay, data pages, this is the common concept, right? Data pages we will create. Mostly you will not get any chance to create a declare constraint. Okay, you mostly will not get any chance to create a declare on change. Mostly will not get any chance to create a declare trigger. So it depends on this. Some LSAs they will not allow you to create these declarative rules. Some LSAs they will allow to create a declarative rules. Unnecessarily it will trigger. Okay, said now unnecessarily it will trigger these declarative rules. If it is not required also, okay, automatically in the backend it will call these declarative rules. Okay, some for that purpose, some people will ask you instead of creating a declarative rules, create some other rule like that, declare on change or declare trigger. They will ask you to do this one in some different way like that. They will suggest some people, okay, easy way. Okay, if you create a declare trigger or declare on change, then easily we can achieve this requirement. No need to monitor everywhere. I will give some scenario, then you will understand. Okay, you will understand what is how we can achieve that requirement by using declare on change, declare trigger easy way. Okay, if I explain practically. So now see here, but I will explain all six practically. Okay, so now here you can see first one is the declare expression. What is the use of declare expression? So whenever you want to do some calculations, okay, whenever you want to do some calculations at that time, okay, at that time we will create a declare expression. Okay, so whenever you want to do the calculations, and calculations is simple. Okay, when you are adding a products, automatically that shopping icon, shopping shopping cart, automatically it will update whether you are updating. No, you are not updating. When you are adding a product, automatically it is updating your shopping cart. Okay, when you are adding a quantity, automatically your prices will increase. Sir, automatically your price will increase. Sir, when I'm adding, when I'm changing the age, for example, when I'm changing the age, sir, automatically I want to increase the my claim amount, eligible claim amount. Automatically now I want to update when I'm going to change my age. Sir, when you are transferring the amount, sir, when you are transferring the amount, at that time automatically it will update total balance amount. See, automatically. See, now here, okay, when we can, okay, what is the use of declare expression? Whenever we are changing, okay, whenever, okay, we are changing source property values, okay, source property values, automatically it will update the target property. Sir, automatically it will update the target property values. Sir, whenever we are changing the source property values, automatically it will update the target property values. Sir. Target, okay, see, whatever I told just now. Sir, whatever example I told just now. See, when you are adding a product, automatically your shopping cart. Sir, adding a product is your source. Shopping cart is your target. Sir, when I'm changing the quantity, changing the quantity is your source. updating the price is the target. Updating the price is the target. Calculations and sir, whenever we are changing the source property values, automatically it will change the target property values. This process we can call as a declare expression. Okay, this process we can call as a declare expression. Okay, sir, total, okay, product price. So total product price, sir, into product quantity. Sir, when I'm changing okay, this value, automatically it will update. Automatically, because when I'm going to update this one, automatically it will update. Automatically it will have manually no need to do anything. Just here when you are updating this one, means so in this scenario, what is your source? What is your source? These are the source properties. What is our target? This is our target property. Okay, whenever we are changing the source property values, automatically it will update the target property values. Okay, this process we can call as a declare expression. Here, okay, people will ask you forward chaining. Sir, forward chaining and backward chaining. Sir, forward chaining and backward chaining. Sir, what do you mean by forward chaining? Okay, sir, now here, when declare expression will behave like forward chaining. Okay, when a declare expression will behave like backward chaining. Sorry, when a declare expression will behave like a forward chaining, backward chaining. Sir, forward chaining means whenever we are changing this, okay, same above. Okay, this process we can call as a. Sorry, whenever we are changing the source property value, source means okay, source property means inputs and inputs. Okay, in bracket inputs. Automatically it will update the output. Output. Sir, this process we can call as a forward chaining. Sir, now based upon this one, okay, now by default your declare expression will behave like, come on, where by default your declare expression will behave like
Forward chaining.
forward chaining. Sir, by default declare expression, okay, will behave like forward chaining. Okay. Sir, back, see, forward chaining means now we can see here. Sir, now when you are changing in this example, when you are changing a source, okay, when you are changing these values, automatically it will when we are changing the source property values, automatically it will update the target property value. Yes or no? See, when we are changing these inputs, automatically it will update. Okay, just like please observe the definition and backward chaining. Where, student, wherever we are referring, wherever we are referring the target property, automatically it will recalculate. Automatically it will recalculate the okay. Automatically it will recalculate the okay source property values. automatically it will recalculate the source property values. Okay, this process we can call as a backward chaining. So this process we can call as a backward chaining. So both are same or different? Just you can tell me. Come on. Sir, see, normal, when we are changing at that time, automatically it will update. Yes or no, bro? Come on. Hello?
Yes,
Okay. Sir, now wherever we are referring the target property means what? Wherever we are referring the target property, wherever we are referring the target property means, just like your understanding purpose, this one, no need to explain it. This one, in case if the wherever we are referring target means, if we refer target property, okay, target property in a data transform or activity or some other rules. You got it right, bro? This one? At that time, it will recalculate source properties. Means it will check the what is the value of product name, what is the value of quantity name, and then it will give the total price. If you refer that target property in a data transform or activity or wherever you are referring, automatically it will recalculate it. Means okay, whatever this property, if you refer, okay, sir, here subtotal, so subtotal. So now subtotal equal to, okay, for example, hmm, product price plus some tax. Just you can think that tax. So now if I refer this property into some other places, at that time, what is the value of this one? What is the value of this one? And then it will place and then it will give. Again, this property we referred into activity. Again, it will recalculate. Again, it will check what is the value of this one, what is the value of this one, and then it will place and then it will give the total value. And then it will give the total value. Okay, so now see. Okay, so it will give the total price. Sir, now, okay, this is about declare expression. Okay, now, okay, when okay, once create, sir, once we created the declare expression, at the time, I will show you when we can say, okay, forward chaining. Okay, when it will behave like a forward chaining, when it will behave like a backward chaining, we will discuss. And next one is the declare constraint. Sir, when we can create a declare constraint, okay, when we can create a declare constraint is mostly, okay, 100% you people will not get any chance to create a declare expression. I can say, okay, sir, okay, whenever we want to validate multiple properties, sir, whenever you want to validate the multiple properties, sir, whenever you want to we want to validate the multiple properties, then we can go for declare constraint. So now sometimes people will ask you, hey, what is the difference between declare constraint rule and validate rule? Sir, validate rule manually we need to call. Yes or no? Sir, manually we need to call declare validation rule either in a activity or else flow action. Okay, this declare constraint, no need to call it. Automatically, it will call and then it will validate wherever we are referring the property. Sir, okay, sir, now we can validate the multiple properties wherever we are referring. Okay, wherever we are referring the properties. Wherever we are, okay, wherever we are referring the properties, automatically it will validate. Okay, automatically it will validate the properties. Okay, automatically it will validate the properties means okay, no need to call declare constraint. Okay, separately. Okay, separately no need to call. Okay, so for example, and this one is the disadvantage or advantage also. For example, here, okay, there is just some okay property claim amount. So now this claim amount, okay, what we are doing is we are referring this claim amount. We are showing this claim amount in all places. Sir, all places we are referring this claim amount. These are three screens. So now even all these three screens we are giving a editable options. We give to the users to update this claim amount any point of time. Wherever, not only these three scripts, wherever. You can think, for example, now I ask Ganesh, could you please validate the claim amount? Generally, what he will do, okay, bro, claim amount I want to validate. Okay, fine. Then I will create one a data. Okay, you people knows now. Okay, I will create one data transform and validate. Okay, if a claim amount, in case if mine is or else something else, okay, eligible, whatever his balance amount, if we enter more than that, then I want to show the error message. Now you created the data transform. Okay, fine. Again, what we will do? Okay, so same data transform, we will call screen number one related flow action, screen number two related flow action, screen number three related flow action everywhere. Yes or no? Or else activity, all the places you need to call. Or else validation rule, all that validation rule we will call into all these three screens. Yes or no? Agree? Come on. Hmm. అంతే కదండి మీరు you people will call all those four screens, right? Come on, sir, however you are going to achieve one, either validation rule or else uh, activity or data transfer, every screen you will call. Sir, okay, if you create a declare constraint rule, no need to call separately in screen number one, screen number two, screen number three. Sir, now whatever checkpoint you are checking, for example, sir, claim amount, they are claiming something, but your balance amount, okay, eligible balance amount 2 lakhs, but you are okay claiming 2 lakhs 50,000. I want to validate. Sir, we create one declare constraint rule. Sir, when they are trying to update this one, I want to show some error message. Clear? One place, and we are not calling also wherever whenever they are changing, if okay, our condition is satisfied, then it will throw the error message means. Okay, so now here, okay, we can validate the multiple properties, and okay, no need to call this a declare constraint rule separately. Okay, by using declare constraint rule, we can achieve the client side. Okay, this is one of the way to achieve the client-side validations in PEGA by using. So there are two types of whatever validations we are doing in a property level. Those validations we can call as a client-side validations. Okay, we can achieve different ways. Okay, this is also one of the interview point of the question people will ask you. What are the ways we can achieve the client-side validations? Okay, this is the one of the way declare constraint, and other way is when you are creating a properties, we will specify the property type, whether it is integer or decimal or date like that. That is one type of client-side validation. So after that, okay, in a section, okay, we will refer the property. There we will specify required field, mandatory field. That is also one type of client-side validation. Next one, in a section, okay, if you select that property, presentation tab, max and minimum characters we will specify. That is also one type of client-side validation. And edit validation also one type of client-side validations. Even when we are going to discuss about validation rules, at that time again I will explain. Okay. So now see here, okay, this is about declare constraint rule and okay, we can validate the properties, whatever we want to validate. Okay, declare on change. Okay, what is the use of declare on change? Okay, this okay, declare on change. On change, the name itself, declare on change. Sir, declare on change. Okay, now you can observe. Whenever we are changing the property values, automatically it will trigger the activity. So automatically it will trigger the activity. Whenever we are changing the property, automatically it will trigger the activity. Okay, that process we can call as a declare on change. Sir, when we can use this okay, declare on change rule? Common question people, in case if they ask you, depends on whatever even I created. In my projects, I created the declare on change and created the declare trigger. My senior, let's say, he told that, hey, don't create. Some people no create. Depends on. Okay, it depends. Okay, so now we can see here declare on change. Okay, when we can use declare on change. Sir, whenever we are changing the property values, property, and when we are changing the property, we are changing the properties. Changing means updating, simple. Changing or updating the property values. Sir, automatically, it will trigger or call the activity. Whenever, okay, if you want to trigger, so okay, so automatically, if we want to trigger the activity. If you want to trigger or call the activity, then we can use declare on change. Okay, whenever we are changing any property values, automatically if you want to trigger the activity, in that activity, whatever logic you want to write, you can write. Sir, in this activity, whatever logic you want to write, you can write. Okay, so now okay, for example, okay, I will tell you one scenario. Okay, in the bank application, for example. Sir, every month, Ganesh transferring the amount. Every month, is transferring the amount from his bank account to his friend or else, okay, some parents. Okay, every month. Okay, we are observing. Okay, almost last 5 years or 3 years onwards. Not more than 1 lakh. Not more than 1 lakh. Is transferring some X account. Suddenly he transferred 1 CR or 50 lakhs. Sir, immediately bank people will call you or not? Ganesh? Hmm. Even if you send 10 lakhs, immediately
Definitely.
they will call or not?
Yeah, it's a huge amount, right?
Why, bro? Suddenly, okay, sir, why they are calling? Sir, when you transfer 1 lakh, whether they called? Come
It
on.
was a huge amount.
A huge event means customer behavior changed. Yes or no?
Yeah,
Customer behavior changed, right? Sir,
yeah,
customer
correct.
behavior changed. Are last 5 years onwards, he is a customer to our bank. Okay, he didn't transfer anytime, anytime. Just like one alert, simple. Okay, sir, now suddenly, okay, okay, property, because of property, I got that amount. What's wrong? Just we will give that explanation, right? That's it. Yes or no? Anudeep or Akila or Usha. Come on. Okay, here also, sir. Okay, if there is a transfer amount is more than this one, I want to set some flag, risk flag. Just we are setting, that's it. Hello? అర్థమైందా అండి ఎప్పుడైనా ఓకే దట్ అమౌంట్ is increased some level. Now we are setting nothing, sir. Now I want to set some flag for a tracking purpose, some tracking purpose. Oh, some property value changed. Okay, some property value changed. Okay, for example, transfer amount. Okay, transfer amount. Sir, whatever amount you are transferring, sir, whatever amount okay, you are transferring, 10 lakhs. Sir, now risk flag. Okay, there is one flag is available, risk flag. So just I want to set like a true for reporting purpose. So now some users, manager level people, look at today, every day they will get the reports and then they will monitor the accounts. Whatever risk flag true, they will check those all accounts for auditing purpose and all. Okay, clear and so now what you are doing? Okay, oh this is the value you are setting. Where you are setting? Automatically. Sir, automatically. Sir, when this property value changed, when this property value changed or updated, now I want to set like that. I want to set like that. See, like that any see for example, bro. Okay, now see here. Okay, there is a some okay, property. For example, um, claim approval. Claim approval. Sir, claim approval. Sir, claim approval is okay approved or rejected. So now when okay when this property okay, when we are updating this property automatically I want to update. Okay, I want to update the case status. Clear? Sir, when we are updating this one automatically, now I want to update. Automatically I want to update. Okay. Next one. So next one. Sir, okay. So you see in this activity, whatever logic you want to write, you can write. Whatever logic you want to write, you can write that logic kind. Okay. So now when you are updating or changing the property values, okay, now immediately, now I want to, okay, now I want to create activity. Okay. So next one is phone number. Bro, okay, even you can observe phone number or email ID in our banks. Sir, okay, when you update your mobile number, when you update your email ID, automatically will get your one notification email. Yes or no? Automatically will get one notification email and SMS also. You have updated your bank, okay, your bank email ID or else phone number like that. Notification. Okay, sir. Now these property, these phone number and email ID. Now you are monitoring these properties. You are watching these properties. Means simple and okay, what okay, whenever we are changing means we are when whatever properties to watch, monitor. If these property values are changing, I want to do something in this entire case level. Okay, whenever these properties, property values are updating at that time, okay, I want to do some action. What action you want to do? Whatever action you want to do, you can do that logic in activity. You can write that logic in activity. Okay, sir. Now in our mind, okay, you can think that, sir, you have a case. In this case life cycle, okay, we will refer so many properties. Some of the properties you want to monitor. See, generally, to achieve this requirement, multiple places, we will write a logic, multiple places we will call. If you create a declare trigger, so now whenever that property is updating, okay, no need to monitor, automatically it will trigger, and whatever logic you written, okay, you written in activity, that activity, okay, that logic will execute. Okay, see means whatever properties to watch means whatever properties you want to observe, okay, those properties we will specify in a declare trigger. Steps to implement, see now steps to implement a declare on change. So now first one, okay, when rule create a when rule. Here this one, okay, whatever conditions create a when rule. Step number 2, okay, create a activity and write a logic based upon a requirement. Okay, now next one, create a declare trigger, sorry, declare on change, and specify the properties to watch means properties to observe. Okay, sir, now I want to monitor this property. I will specify that property. Not only single, multiple properties, specify the properties to watch and call the when rule and activity. Sir, now we can create a when rule. Okay, sir, this condition is satisfied, then only I want to execute this activity. Sir, what property based, bro? No, what properties we are watching? Okay, we are monitoring. Where you are specifying in a declare trigger rule. Create a declare trigger rule. In a declare trigger rule, we will specify. Okay, next one. Next one is the declare trigger. What is the use of declare trigger? What is the use of declare trigger? This one also, when we can use the declare trigger. So now student definition and whenever we are saving or okay, all are updating or okay, delete or commit the instances of okay, instances of a class. Sir, whenever we are saving or updating or delete or commit the instances of the class, sir, automatically, if you want to okay, trigger the activity, in that activity, whatever logic you want to write, you can write and sir, okay, automatically want to trigger the activity, then we can create a declare trigger. declare trigger. Okay, now here one more point. If we want to call the activity in a declare on change rule, then we need to change activity type to on change. Then we can, okay, then we need to change the activity type to trigger. So now if we want to call the activity in a declare trigger rule, then we can change we need to change the activity type to declare trigger. Okay, okay, fine. Next one. Sir, what do you mean? Okay, now we can tell me and okay, easy way. I can say like that. So now this requirement, okay, you can ignore about declare trigger. Okay, declare trigger. Just I will give one scenario, case type and case type. In this case type, stage 1, stage 2, just like a real-time point of view, real-time projects point of view, just you can observe stage 4, stage 5. And process 1, process 2, like that each stage, some different process will be available. Uh, okay, you can think like that and okay. So now like that, different, okay, each process will have some different scripts. Okay, now we can observe in real-time point of view, in real-time point of view, each stage and we will maintain a different status, case status. Yes or no? Come on. Hmm. We'll maintain a different status. Yes or no, bro? అవునా కదా? చెప్పాలండి.
You
అవునా
mean
కదా?
work status, bro?
వర్క్ స్టేటస్.
Oh, yes,
ఓకే.
bro. I remain different.
అలానే సార్ ఓకే, ఈవెన్ flow. If have a flow, that flow contains three assignments. Each assignment also we will update. We will update different status. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Janani, Akila, come on. చెప్పండి మీరే సార్. అసైన్మెంట్ లెవెల్ ఆల్సో ఓకే. ఓకే, నౌ యూ కెన్ థింక్ అండి. ఓకే, ఐ హ్యావ్ ఎ డిఫరెంట్ అసైన్మెంట్స్ ఆర్ అవైలబుల్, డిఫరెంట్ స్టడీస్ ఆర్ అవైలబుల్, డిఫరెంట్ ప్రాసెస్ ఆర్ అవైలబుల్. వీఆర్ మెయింటైనింగ్ different statuses. Even not the same assignment. First time when you are entering into this assignment, I want X status. Again, I am coming back to same assignment at that time Y status. Like that also we will update, right, in our real-time projects. Yes or no? Ganesh? Akhil? Akhila? అవునా కదండి. ఇప్పుడు సి వెన్ ఫస్ట్ టైం వెన్ వర్క్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ రీచెస్ టు దట్ పర్టికులర్
Yes, sir.
అసైన్మెంట్ సమ్ ఎక్స్ స్టేటస్, అగైన్ సమ్ మోర్ అడిషనల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ యూ వాంట్, అగైన్ వీ విల్ కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు సేమ్ అసైన్మెంట్. అట్ దట్ టైమ్ వీ వాంట్ టు అప్డేట్ దిస్ సమ్ డిఫరెంట్ స్టేటస్. Sir, whenever work object status is updating, I want to send one email notification. Whenever, okay, whenever you are updating the work object status, automatically I want to send one email communication. అర్థమైందా సార్? నౌ జనని ఒకసారి you got it right? చెప్పాలి సార్. నౌ whenever we are changing the case status or whenever case status is updating, simple abba, I want to send one email notification. Sir, how much this one is complex? See now, how many places this email notification activity you need to call? You can ignore about declare trigger. You can ignore about declare trigger. How many places we need to call this notification logic activity? Come on. Vinod Kumar or Jaswant, Satish, చెప్పండి. సౌజన్య, శ్రీకావ్య, చెప్పండి మీరే.
at each flow action, at each step level, we have to copy.
Wherever we are updating, wherever we are updating case status, everywhere we need to call. Yes or no, bro? Some places it we will miss also, right? Again, future. Okay, one more case status we are introducing. Again, you need to do the change, right? You need to remember or not? 6 months back we implemented. Okay, one more new requirement we got. Now we are implementing. Sir, now if we create a declared trigger, is it required to change whenever you are introducing new work statuses also? Hmm. Come on, Satish or Monica. చెప్పండి సార్ okay, now if you are introduce new statuses at that time also you want to send an email whether it is required, whether it is it required to monitor if you create a declared trigger. Sir, now case status is updating means what? Case status updating means what? The class instance is updating, right? Come on, the class instance is updating or not? Sir, class instance is updating. Sir, now I want to send. Okay, now what is the use case? Sir, now see here. A scenario. Scenario. Sir, whenever we are, okay, whenever, okay, notification email. Okay, sir, we want to send a notification email. Sir, notification email to user, okay, or manager, like that. Case owner. Okay, scenario. Sir, now scenario. Okay, so your case type. Here also we can specify the when condition and case type. So now case type and stage data, staging table. Sir, staging table. Sir, now okay, staging table, okay, vice versa. Okay, when we are updating the staging table. Sir, now when there is some update, okay, this class, okay, instances, this staging table, okay, related instances. Okay, when staging table related. Instance means records only, right? Sir, any of the instance is updated. Sir, now here in that activity, what type of logic you are going to write? In this activity, what type of logic you are going to write? Come on. What type of logic you are going to write in this scenario? Check. You will write a logic to send a notification. In this scenario, you will write a logic to update the case data based upon staging table instance. Yes or no? Vinod?
Yes.
Sir, now scenario basis and sir, now here any scenario, any of the properties are that for simple and okay, just you can remember this point. Sir, one of the property mainly work status. Okay, I can say valid example. Even we created based upon status work only. Okay, now you can think that, sir. one of the property value we referred into the multiple screens, bro. One of the property we referred into the multiple screens. That property value, okay, it will change, bro. It will change. Okay, that property value, it will change. Okay, that property value will change. At that time, whenever that property value will change in any of the screen, I want to set something. Sir, now we can immediately need to think that. Okay, how we can achieve? By using declare trigger or declare, okay, declare trigger or declare on change. These two things just you can remember at that time, just you can intimate to your LSA. For this purpose, I'm creating is a easy way. We can achieve this requirement. Some people they will agree, some people will they will not agree. Why unnecessarily it will call this a declare trigger, try to avoid like that. Some people will suggest. Depends on your LSA. Depends on your LSA. And okay, they are okay. You can create. Okay, so now we can say whenever the instance means the class records, you can say class records. Here property value is changing. Okay, next one is the declare trigger. What is the use of declare trigger? When we can create a declare trigger. Okay, whenever we want to, okay, refer aggregative properties. For reporting purpose, especially page list for reporting purpose, then we can create declare trigger. Even I will explain separately. Okay, don't worry. As a okay, today's class, okay, I will not explain. This one separate session I will explain. Okay, when I'm going to discuss about reporting, right? Okay, reporting example. Okay, how to expose or optimize the property. At that time, I will explain this concept also. Okay, sorry. Whenever we want to refer aggregative properties. Okay, whenever we want to refer the aggregative properties in a reports for reporting purpose. Okay, so now at that time, what we will do is we will create a declare index. Okay, so some steps we will follow. Okay, what are the steps we will follow and all we will discuss and okay. Again, this one also in depth about data pages also we will discuss. Okay, now you people knows what is the use of data pages by using. Okay, this one okay, almost long session 5 hours. Okay, we will discuss about this declare data pages. 5 hours we will discuss about okay, data pages. Okay, very in depth again I will discuss. Okay, by using as of now just I'm going to write by using data pages we can fetch the multiple or single record from database table or we can insert or update the data into database table or we can connect with external applications. Okay, sir, now see here. Whenever we want aggregative properties related data. Okay, now we can say like that. Whenever we want refer instead of that, whenever we want uh, aggregative properties related data for reporting purpose, then we can create a declare one change. Okay, related data. Okay, any of the page list property. Directly we cannot refer the page list properties in the reports. Okay, but they want the page list property. The page list property data will be available in the report. Okay, then how we can get the data? Okay, for that purpose we will create a declare trigger. declare index we will create. This one separately we will discuss, and this one also almost 5 hours we will discuss separately. Separate session when I'm going to discuss about report definition, optimizing the properties. At that time, okay, we'll discuss. Now today we will discuss about these three: declare, okay, declare expression, declare constant, declare on change, declare trigger. Okay, these things we will discuss. Just give me 2 minutes.
This conference will now be recorded.
Sir, quickly I will create. So now see here. Okay, first one will discuss about declare expression. First one will discuss about declare expression. For example, order, okay, order name, order price, order price, sir, order quantity, okay, order quantity, okay, subtotal, okay, subtotal, tax, total, order price. So now when I'm going to select, okay, any order name, okay, order name, for example, laptop, okay, laptop or AC, any product, you can think that. Yeah, sir, okay, AC or okay, washing machine or any of the product. Sir, now when I'm changing this order name, automatically I want to get, okay, I want to get the price. Sir, okay, when I'm changing a quantity, when I'm entering a quantity, automatically now I want to get the total price. Sir, automatically now I want to get the total price. Okay, total price means, see, okay, here, okay, sir, okay, tax, when I'm going to enter here, automatically now I want to get, sir, now automatically now I want to get like that. Sir, when I'm changing the order name, now I want to get the, okay, price. Okay, when I'm entering a quantity, I want to get this total price. When I'm entering this one, I want to get this one. Okay, this is the one thing. Example one. Sir, next one is, for example, list of products. Okay, now you can see here source of income. Sir, source of income. Total, total income. Total yearly income. Total yearly income. Type of employment. Sir, type of employment. Sir, type of employment. Okay, self-employed, business, salaried, salaried. Okay, salary, self-employed. Now here, now we can specify the, okay, now I can add multiple, right? Now here, self-employment, salary. Okay, now just I want to show you this one is a single layout only, right? I want to show you two examples. This one, okay, page list only, just like I need to create a self-employed. company name. This one is straightforward only. Okay, nothing. Okay. Okay. Salary. Sir, per month salary. Sir, now here. Okay. Sir, now per month salary. Okay, now I'm going to enter here. 1,000. In case your work is some additional business also there, 50,000. Okay. Sir, now you are working with some X company. This one. Sir, now here subtotal. Subtotal. Subtotal per month. How much you will get?
1 lakh
1 lakh.
5,000.
1,05,000 అంతేనా?
95 ఒక 10,000.
1,05,000. Okay. Sir, 1,05,000. Now yearly, how much you will get?
1,60,000.
Yearly, how much you will get? Okay, 1,50,000 into 12. Right, bro? Sir, like that we can do, right? Yes or no? Hello? అంతే కదండి, ఇది టోటల్ అమౌంట్ వచ్చింది. సార్ నౌ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ వన్ మోర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ప్రోడక్ట్ డీటెయిల్స్. ప్రోడక్ట్ నేమ్, ప్రోడక్ట్ ప్రైస్, ప్రోడక్ట్ క్వాంటిటీ. సార్ ప్రోడక్ట్ నేమ్, ప్రోడక్ట్ ప్రైస్, ప్రోడక్ట్ క్వాంటిటీ, సబ్ టోటల్. ఓకే, టోటల్, product price. Sir, now okay, product price. See how many products now I'm going to add. Okay, all the products related total amount now I want to get. Sir, okay, whatever price I'm going to enter, whatever quantity I'm going to enter, I want to calculate this amount. I want to calculate this amount. Okay, sir, how we can achieve this one? First we will create a properties. Quickly I will create a properties. This class ఉంది, కంప్లీట్ చేయి అసైన్మెంట్స్. అబాకస్ క్లాస్ ఉంది, ఇప్పుడు మిస్ కాల్ చేస్తుంది, మెసేజ్ ఫోన్లో మెసేజ్ చేసింది. కంప్లీట్ చేయి ఇప్పుడు. మెసేజ్ చేసిందా లేదు చూడు, మిస్ కాల్ 9కి క్లాస్ ఉంది. నేను చెప్పాను నీకు, ఇంకా నీ ఇష్టం. Sir, here we will prepare UI. Sir,
Arjun,
price, yes, this one you can take like a decimal also, and in case of calculations, sir, decimal values also we want means at that time you can create a decimal property. Yes, Janan. Yes, tell me.
yeah, when they ask like types of declare expression in interview, at that time we have to say declare, I mean data pages or not, because for 8.7 we don't have, no?
What we don't have.
Like when they ask in interview like type of declarative rules, at that time you have to say data pages also, or till declared index only you have to say, like that I'm asking.
No, no, no. What are the different types of declarative rules are available? You can say all, whatever six
Oh,
I told.
okay, okay.
Okay, na? You need to say all.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
No, no, I am saying mostly will not get the chance to create a declare on change, declare trigger, declare constraint like that. I'm telling. Okay, but interview, what are the, sir, whether you know or not? Yes, I know. I know like that you can say. Or else
Okay,
whatever
okay.
scenario I'm going to explain, sir, in my project we have a different stages are available. Whenever the case status is updating, we are sending a email notification. For that purpose, I implemented declare trigger in my project like that you can say. Simple.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
now I created, bro. Like I created like that you can say in the interview. Confidently you can say. Sir, confidently you can say it's for this purpose I implemented declare trigger. Nothing wrong. Sir, we have when we are processing the case, okay, for example, any of the property value, for example, any of the, okay, some payment status or payment status is updated, or claim approval status is updated. Okay, at that time, now we are updating some other property values. When that property value is updated, automatically we are updating. For that purpose, I implemented, okay, declare on change like that, you can say. No need
Okay,
to
sir.
say that I didn't create like that. Okay, no need to say. See,
Okay,
now
sir.
if you are practicing right, confidently you can say, for this purpose, I implemented like that, you can say. Tax amount. Sir, now this is entirely depends on however you want to create, like either decimal also you can create this property or integers. Calculations, when you are doing the calculations at that time, okay, either you can create, okay, decimal or integer. Sir, now, okay, you can observe all observations only quickly. Just like one example you can complete. Okay, two examples I will explain. Tomorrow class, don't miss. Tomorrow we will discuss about exception handling and authentication thing. Okay, don't miss anyone. Depends on the people. In case if people joined less people, then I will change the topic. Otherwise, okay, it's better to complete. Okay, I will complete order price. We will update in the group also. Sir, here single order. Okay, multiple orders also. Okay, that one more example I will discuss. Tax amount. Okay, fine. Okay, fine, sir. Now, what is my requirement? When I'm going to change the order name, automatically I want to get the order price. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a decision table. Okay, set order price. Just like example purpose. Okay, we can choose some different way also, but I'm setting. Okay, sir. Now here order name equal to order name equal to. Sir, now we can add multiple combinations. Okay, laptop. Okay, iPhone, AC. Okay, washing machine. Sir, like that, whatever. Okay, whatever value you want to add, you can add. Here now I'm going to add 56,000. Okay, 1,20,000. Okay, 40,000. 30,000. Sir, now what is our requirement? Sir, okay. When we are creating a declare expression, okay, we need to specify the target property. Okay, sir, any target property, any target property, we can create only one declare expression. Okay, okay, only one declare expression for that target property. Sometimes people will ask you, just you can tell me, sir, by using data transform, I'm setting a value. By using declare expression, I'm setting a value. By using activity, I'm setting a value. Which rule it will trigger first? People will ask you like that. Which rule it will trigger first? So now in this example, automatically it will trigger declare expression only. And okay, remember that one. So now declare, okay, order price, right? Automatically I want to get the order price. Order price is my target. Okay, now I'm going to create a declare expression. Okay, what is the navigation we will follow? All will be available under decision category, declare expression. What is our target property? Order price. You can specify the order price. Sir, now this one, if it is a page list property, then we will specify page context. Otherwise, no. It's a normal property. Okay. If it is a page property also, if it is a page property, you can specify. Okay, you can specify. Now here, click on create and open. Now once when you are creating declare expression, you can see like that. So now we have a different options are available. Okay, depends on your requirement. Whatever option you want, you can select that option. For example, now I want to set the order price. Order price. So now here we can call the declare decision rules in a declare expression and decision rules in a declare expression. Now result of my decision table. So my whatever my decision table is going to return. Okay, that value now I'm going to set here. So with the same property, okay. So now we specified the target property, right? Now again I'm going to create. So now again I'm going to create one more okay target same with the same target property I'm creating whether it is allowing. Sir, now this instance is already exist. Sir, whatever name you created the declare expression, it will not allow. Why? Because this is the rule name it is considering. Okay, sir, now I created this one. Now just you can see here, refresh this one. Now go to the okay laptop. Sir, now laptop, now sir, automatically now I'm getting a value. Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Whether we called anywhere. Okay, whether we called anywhere, no one. Sir, I didn't call. Sir, automatically it is triggering. Sir, when this is my source, this is my target. My target is automatically it is updating. Okay. You can think of any of the scenario if you want to do in our mind. We can achieve this one. Sorry, we can achieve this one is by using declare expression. Which one is the easier? You can implement that rule. Okay. So now when I'm going to change the quantity, automatically I want to set total price. Sir, in this scenario, what is our target? In this scenario, what is our target?
Subtotal.
Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to create a declare expression subtotal. So now you can specify the subtotal. You can specify the subtotal. Click on create and open. So now you can specify the subtotals. Now see, now we can value of order price into again give the space and then you can call that property order quantity. So now okay, now you want to calculate these two. Okay, now go here, refresh this one. So now quantity. Okay, now everyone. So when I'm changing the quantity, automatically it is changing, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, when I'm going to change the AC, sir, automatically when I'm changing the AC, sir, now, sir, okay, see if it is not updating a washing machine, okay, no worries. Okay, now here, sir, now here you can see. So now when I'm going to change laptop, okay, now it is updating. Now here also it is updating quantity. Now you can change this quantity. Okay, sir, now we can reset also, bro. Okay, when you are changing this one, I want to reset whatever value present in order quantity. Sir, like that also we can do or not? Hello? Cheppandi. When you are changing this one, automatically I want to reset this value and the old values you don't want to show to
Yes, sir.
avoid the confusion. Okay, sir, when I'm going to enter the tax amount, automatically I want to calculate total price. Sir, now here, declare expression. Okay, sir, total order price. So now, okay, tax amount, subtotal plus tax amount. So tax amount. Now see here, now I'm going to enter 200. Okay, then you can refresh, freshly you can reload. Sorry, AC. Okay, now I'm getting this one, 2. Sir, now here, you can here, sir, automatically without entering a tax one, right? Without entering a tax one, it is calculating. Sir, now I don't want to do like that. Okay, first we will enter this one. Now it is calculating a value. Okay, sir, without tax amount, I don't want to calculate. Sir, now without tax amount, I don't want to calculate. Sir, now when the tax amount equal to null. Okay. You can conditionally you can hide also. Fine. Now see. Sir, whether it is calculating total order price now? Whether it is calculating now. Now, sir, when I'm entering at that time only it is calculating. So okay, similar like that, sir. Whenever you want to do some calculation kind of thing, then we can use. Okay, now see, okay, what I will do is I'm going to create. Okay, this example you people can practice. Okay, this example, please practice this one. Okay, I will explain this one. Okay. Okay. Now, what is my requirement? When I'm going to add a product, now I want to calculate subtotal and total list of product, whatever products I'm going to add. Okay. So now those list of products now here, okay, when I'm going to enter here laptop, for example, okay, 34,000. Okay, now I'm purchasing multiple products. Immediately when I'm going to enter this one, automatically subtotal I want. So see, okay, when I'm going to enter AC, okay, immediately I want this price. Okay, now you can manually you can give say how we achieved here, right? Similar way here also you can achieve it. So now okay, quantity 3 I want this one, and then total price also now I want to update. So now see, okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a declare expression for subtotal. Okay, okay, declare expression, right? Now see, okay, if you're not getting this one, go here, just you can refresh this one. Expression, define expression. Okay, ఆ పేజ్ ఇక్కడ ఉంటే సరిపోయేది. No worries. Okay, what I will do is I will create. Sir, if it is not populating also fine. Okay, without any subtotal. Okay, subtotal. And then you can specify this page list property. You can specify the page list property. So now, okay, now we want to calculate and now we want to calculate the page list property I specified with okay, this one brackets, and then in this page list subtotal is available. So now what do you want to do? So now what do you want to do? You want to calculate the subtotal. Whenever I'm adding a item, okay, whenever I'm adding item, now I want to calculate the subtotal. Okay, this is my requirement. Okay, now we want to add a subtotal. So now here you want to calculate the price, right? Now see here into product quantity. Sir, into product quantity. Sir, now I'm calculating. Sir, now I'm calculating this one. Okay. Even what we will do is okay, now I don't want to give any option to enter manually. We will try to call. Okay, whether ఇది పేజ్ లిస్ట్ ప్రాపర్టీ కదా. Okay, sir, page list property కావాలి, fine. Sir, now we will get the subtotal, and then okay, next one is one more property we created, total product price. Sir, now total product price, now you can click on create and open. Sir, now total product price, now you want, okay, what we will do, sir, now sum of click on this one. So now here you can see sum of, okay, what is our page list property. You can give this page list property when you are referring is, but give this one, okay, this one into subtotal, this one product list of this one, sum of how many products you added, right? Okay, subtotal. If it is not populating, type, and if it is not populating, just you can type this one, page list property. Okay, fine. Subtotal, okay, now you specify like that. Okay, now, okay, this one, why we created nothing. Okay, fine. Now go here, just you can refresh now. Okay, you can practice okay, this example, yearly income one. Sir, now I'm going to add a product. See here, okay, laptop, okay, 24,000 and quantity 2. Sir, now quantity 2, okay, now it is updated total price, and here also okay, total product price added. Okay, AC 45,000 and 3. So now here it is added, okay, 135, and then here also it is updated. Okay, na everyone?
Yeah.
See, okay, when we are creating a declare expression, okay, just like a calculation purpose, just we can practice this one. After that, okay, when we can say forward chaining, when we can say backward chaining, right? Okay, here where we can specify whether declare expression it is whether it is forward chaining or backward chaining means, okay, it is means declare expression. And okay, sir, now we can observe, sir, when you create a declare expression, sir, now old versions, okay, old versions by default, okay, old versions with PEGA 7 or PEGA 6 by default, here expression PEGA pages and classes, and then here you can see the change it tracking tab. In a declare expression, under change it tracking tab, okay, we will specify, okay, whether declare expression forward chaining or backward chaining. Okay, this one. So now where we can see now, okay, where we can see now means, in case if you want to see, go to the action tab, use the legacy expression. Use legacy expression. Okay, when you are going to click this one, okay, in case if they ask only, just you can say, just you can click on legacy expression. Now we can see the change it tracking tab. Okay, na everyone? Now we can see the change it tracking tab. Sir, whenever input is changes, sir, under change it tracking tab, whenever input is changes, when declare expression will behave like a forward chain means whenever input it changes. Sir, in a declare expression, under change it tracking tab, okay, update. We will update to, okay, clear, and we will update to whenever input it changes. Okay, we will change update to input it changes to behave like a forward chaining. Okay, this is the, okay, when it will behave by default. Now whenever input it changes, now go here, so remaining all, okay, whatever, okay, whenever used, if no value present, okay, whenever use property value, see, no value present means values are not available, okay, with that properties, backward chaining, when is triggering the output value if the values are not presenting. So now whenever used, no property value is missed, that property itself missed to calculate one of the property itself whenever used. These three options, and we can say backward chaining. Whenever, when used no value present, when used okay property missing. Here, sir, when used, mm, when used, no value present. When used property is missing. Whenever used, sir, whenever these three options, it will behave like a backward chaining. Okay, when we can say forward chaining and backward chaining means this one we can say in interview point of view. Okay, sir, how we will get the option? Just we can use the legacy expression under action menu, under action menu. Just we can select the okay, use legacy expression. So now you people will get the chance to create a declare expression. That one also, whenever you want to do some calculation kind of thing, you will create a declare expression. Okay, this is the way we can create. Just we can practice with this example. Okay. Next one is, okay, I told, sir, now you want to validate. Sir, now okay, you want to validate. Sir, now this property, you can validate. For example, okay, now here. Okay, so now here what we will do is based upon your salary. Sir, based upon your salary. Okay, or else some your salary and credit score, your eligible amount is this one. Your eligible amount is this one. Okay, so now we want to check that. Okay, you want to check that your minimum salary is this one, then only you are eligible to apply this loan, like that. Okay, minimum salary is this one to apply a loan. Okay, here first screen itself, what we will do is now you can validate any of the property, and okay, whatever you want to validate, you can validate any of the property, even the date also you can validate. For example, okay, purchase date. Hey, why date value? Okay, it is not populating. Even a browser level, I'm not able to enter any date value, bro. Okay, fine. Okay, now okay, I will validate that. Now how I'm going to create is here you can see okay constraint validate personal details. Sir, when you create a declare constraint rule, it will show like that. It will show like that. Even here also we have a functions are available. You can use the functions. Here also we have functions are available. When we create when rule, whatever you are seeing, right? Same. Okay. Sorry, for example, when comparison, when required that what message you want to show, what property level you want to show. What property level you want to show. Sir, sir, now for example, okay, um okay, date value, okay, I'm not able to see, bro, here. Okay, for just I'm okay showing a day why it is not see date of birth. Okay, now see here you can see, right, date value is future data. For example, purchase data. If purchase date is purchase date is future date required when it is what you are expecting. Hello, what you are expecting? Purchase date, come on, purchase date should be first date. So now required means what do you want? What do you want? So now what message you want to show? Now what message you want to show? Purchase date. What property level you want to show. So now like that. So now we can validate. So now I want to validate one more property. Okay, for example, I want to validate one more property. So now when you are applying a home loan, okay, personal loan, for example, just I'm giving an example. So now if it is a greater than, okay, greater than 60, greater than 60. Now what you want? What do you want? So now, okay, less than, okay, now less than 60, less than 60. Now you want this one. You can write expression also, and here you can write expression also. So now what message? It should be uh, 60. What level you want to show the error message? Age property. Okay, sir, like that. For example, email ID, null value. He didn't enter anything. Even null value also we can check. Null value. What you are expecting? Sir, what you are expecting? Email ID should not be null. Email ID should not be null. Okay, email ID. Null. What property level you want to show? Sir, sir, now again here. Sir, now for example, some of the numbers. Now, okay, phone number. Go to this screen. Phone number. What is the type? Okay. Text property. Sir, now this is the text property, right? Now I am expecting like a integer. Sir, now we can call the functions also only. Okay. Here is integer. Okay, now okay is integer is int. So now we are checking this one. Okay, we are checking. Okay, when it is integer. Now what you are expecting? Okay, expression not equal to. Just like నేను వైస్ వర్సా ఇచ్చాను. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఇద్దాంలే. అది ఇంటీజరా కాదా చెక్ చేస్తుంది. మనం ఏం ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము? ఇది కరెక్టే కదా? హలో, మనం ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఓకే ఇంటీజర్. ఓకే సార్, లైక్ దట్ నౌ వీ కెన్ యాడ్ ఎ ప్రాపర్టీస్. So now we can add a conditions, and how many conditions now we want to add? You can add a conditions now here. Okay, now we can compare also. For example, if you select address dot data, address dot data, now we can compare the dates also. For example, here you can say first date relation with second data, address dot data. Okay, when you are selecting here, you can see some different options. So now whatever properties you want to validate, you can validate. For example, here you can any of the property you want to validate. Okay, here at least that now when you are entering a case ID starts with okay, now expression. Okay, yeah, again same only, right? Some same okay, how I written the function here, right? Starts with okay, pi fun does not starts with pi fun. I want to show the error message. So like that you can add okay, multiple okay validations here. Okay, you can add multiple validations. Okay, same like a length phone number should be a phone number should be uh, should start with 8 or 9 or 7. Okay, now you want to do that type of validation. In case if they didn't select any value, now you want to show some error message. This value should be some okay. What we can say is, for example, customer location. So that now you are customer location. Customer type either either diamond or gold or silver. Other than that I want to show the error message like that. Multiple validations you can validate you can add here. So now see here, okay, I'm not going to call anywhere. Now you can see, so now I'm not calling anywhere. Now see here, automatically okay, wherever you are referring, okay, wherever you are referring. So now see here, okay, I didn't enter it means in the backend it is automatically is executed, right? My declare constraint rule, yes or no? Hello, automatically my declare trigger is executed or not? So now see here, when I'm trying to submit the form also, now we can see, okay, when I'm trying to submit the form it will validate. So now I'm going to enter age value greater than 70 okay 67. Now you can see the error message. Okay, a should be this one. So now you can enter some value. Okay, now you can enter some value. Now click on submit. Click on submit. Gmail.com. So now you can enter this one. So like that we can validate the properties, and like that we can validate the properties by using declare constant rule. Whatever validations now we want, we can do this one. So now I'm going to enter number. Okay, we will try to submit. So now it is validated. Okay, now how we are validating by using declare constraint rule. Okay, like that, how whatever properties, either you can call the functions, you can write a expression, and then you can use the existing options, whatever options you are able to see here. What is this one? What you are expecting? What message you want to show? What level you want to show the error message? What level you want to show the error message? Like that, we will validate. Okay, similar way. Okay, now I want to see if there is some update. Okay, any of the property value. Okay, whatever property value now I want to. Okay, now okay, whatever property value. Okay, now we want to. Okay, we are updating that property. Okay, okay, when that property value is updated at that time, now I want to trigger something. For example, okay, now see whatever you practice it, right? Okay, in case if you want to keep as it is, you can keep. Otherwise, now you can. I'm going to click on this one. Okay, if you are facing some issues about these declarative rules, just to make not available. Okay, when you are practicing, because always it will expect the value, right? Without entering, we will try to submit and then we will move to next screen. Okay,
సార్
every
ఇప్పుడు మనం వాలిడేషన్స్ కొన్నిసార్లు యాక్టివిటీలో ఇస్తాం, కొన్నిసార్లు డేటా ట్రాన్స్ఫర్లో ఇస్తాం, ఇక్కడ ఇస్తాం. కాకపోతే ఆ ప్రాపర్టీకి ఎక్కడ ఇచ్చామని మనకు ఎట్లా తెలుస్తుంది సార్?
ఎక్కడ ఇచ్చాము, ఎక్కడ తెలుస్తుంది అంటే
అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనం ఫ్యూచర్ లో వాలిడేషన్స్ చేంజ్ చేయాలనుకుంటాం బ్రో. ఇప్పుడు ఈ రోజు ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి మనం డిక్లేర్ కన్స్టెంట్ లో ఇచ్చాము. కొన్నిసార్లు అంటే వాలిడేషన్ ఒక్కొక్క చోట అంటే యాక్టివిటీస్ లో కూడా మనం ఏజ్ గురించి ఒకసారి ఇస్తాము.
ఎక్కడైతే సబ్మిట్ చేస్తావో అక్కడ ఇప్పుడు ఆ ప్రాపర్టీ నుంచి ఎంటర్ చేసి బయటకు వస్తావు, ఇట్ ఈస్ వ్యాలిడేటింగ్. దెన్ యు ఆర్ కాలింగ్ some data transform or activity in that property level. Okay, you are submitting the form. At that time, it is triggering the error message. Then you need to think that okay, in this submit means flow action under validation tab, or else post processing data transform or activity. Okay, we are calling validation rules. Okay, we are validating like that. You need to identify. అర్థమైందా?
అర్థం.
Sir, how it is performing? Okay na, bro? Hello? Okay, now see here. Okay, sir, now we can see. Sir, now, okay, whatever phone number now, okay, we are entering, okay, whatever phone number we are entering now, okay, now I am entering some phone number. Entered, click on submit. Sir, now, okay, now same property, now here also, okay, we referred, right? Now see. Sir, now I am trying to update. Okay, if there is some phone number update, if there is some phone number update, immediately what I want to do is I want to send one email. Okay, some confirm not only email and whatever in activity, whatever logic you want to write, you can write that logic. Okay, in activity, whatever logic you want to write, you can write that logic. Okay, na? Clear? Hello? So now how we can send? Now clearly, so what I will do is now, okay, I will remove this one. See, now I want to send, okay, this is my requirement, right? Now what I'm going to do is, okay, I'm going to create one when rule, create a when rule. Create activity, first activity, create activity. Okay, okay. I'm going to, what I'm going to do is, just like comparison purpose, okay. About to do what you are doing. For what? If you are responsible, are you doing? Where is the phone? Phone. No phone? Go to the top. Phone. Okay, now what is my requirement? I'm going to create a when rule. Okay, check phone number. Okay, check a phone number. Now here. Null. I'm giving a 1 and 2. Okay. Okay. Now what we will do is Now create a activity. Okay, this one. Okay. Okay. Now fine. Click on save. So okay, whenever you want to call activity in a declare trigger role, okay, you need to change the activity type to on change. Okay, on change you need to change. Okay, click on create and open. Create. Okay, now see, okay, where declare trigger. Sir, now declare trigger. Now declare trigger. What we will do? Send phone number update. Sir, whatever properties to watch, not only single property, multiple properties, how many properties you want to monitor, means you want to observe, you can add that many properties. And what is our condition? Sir, whatever when condition you created, whatever when condition, if this when condition is satisfied, then you want to run one activity. Sir, if this when condition is false, you want to run one more activity, you can specify it. Okay, now this is the activity, now I'm calling. Sir, now this is the property I want to observe. This is the condition. Side is if condition is true, I want to execute this one. Condition is false, I want to execute some different activity. Okay, you can specify. Sir, what we will do is now, okay, as of now, what I'm going to do is again we need to set okay, this value to this one. Okay, this value to this one. If both are okay, not both are not equal, then we want to send an email, otherwise we don't want to send an email. Okay, just you can think like that. As of now just okay, remove this one. Okay, just I want to show you. Now you can see here. Okay, now see here. Okay, now I'm going to create a case. Now I'm going to create a case. So now immediately it will send an email. Okay, so now I'm going to enter some phone number. Okay, I'm entering some phone number, parjun.pega@gmail.com. Okay, @gmail.com, click on submit. Now see, anyway you are updating the phone number. Okay, means you are entering first time it is updating. You don't want to send first time, means at that time we can restrict. We previously whatever validation, whatever when condition we updated, right sir? First time we didn't update the phone, sir. Now I will get the email. If you don't want to trigger first time, okay, no need to specify. And here, okay, wait, it is taking the time, or parjun.pega@gmail.com. It is taking the time. Okay, wait. Oh, not this one, right? Sir, now see, now I got the email or not? Hello? Hello?
Yes,
Now
sir.
I got the email or not? Okay, now again here. Okay, now again here, what I'm doing is, now go here. Sir, now again, okay, now I'm updating. Again, I'm updating my phone number. Okay, here, now again, I'm updating. Sir, now I'm updating again. Click on submit. So now again I will get the email. Now you can see again I will get the see wherever you are updating, means whatever properties you want to monitor, you can update. Now again now, sir, again your phone number successfully updated. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Whatever properties you want to watch, means whatever properties you want to watch or whatever properties you want to monitor, we will do like that. Now we are sending see, you are sending an email about in that activity, whatever logic you want to write, you can write, not only to send an email. Sir, now I want to save some data, bro. You can write save data. Sir, now I want to copy that property data to some different property, or else you just you can sir, you can set this one. You can do this one, right? You can do this one, right? Hello. Okay, these two things you people can practice. Assignment.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if it is approved, loan approved. I want to update case status like loan approved. If it is rejected, loan rejected. Case status I want to update. So now case status I want to update like that, and okay, risk flag I want to set like a true. Just we can do this one. See, like that we can create, declare, on change. Okay, similar way, sir, whenever case status is updating, whenever case status is updating, at that time I want to send an email. Okay, I want to, okay, means your class instance is updating. Sir, when okay, your class instance is updating. Now, same activity, what I will do is I'm going to send loan status email. Okay, sir, loan status email, loan status, loan update. Sir, now here, now we want to send an email. Okay, okay, now I'm going to, sir, now here. Sir, now I want to send an email. Whenever assignment to assignment, if we have multiple assignments, we are not updating. Okay, then it will not send out. Okay, wherever we are updating, now see here, now I'm going to create, okay, my activity is ready. Okay, activity, if you want to call that activity into the declare trigger role, what we need to do, we need to change the activity type to declare trigger. Okay, now create activity. So create a declare trigger. Okay, trigger notification email. Okay, loan notification email. Sir, whenever case is saved or else updated or committed, means saved or committed, saved means deeper save, saved. Okay, clipboard only. Once committed, you want to send an email, whatever option. Once it is deleted, whatever option you want, you can select this one. So now, okay, once it is saved, okay, now what you want to do is when the trigger instance means your class and means whatever class you created. So now at the time, now okay, even you can create a when role. Okay, if this when condition is satisfied, then only I want to execute my activity. Okay, now you can specify. You can specify like that also. Now here, whatever I created the activity, now I'm calling that activity here. Okay, now I'm calling this activity. Now see here, open your case life cycle. Case life cycle. Now see. Now you can observe here. What we did. Okay. ఇక్కడ లోన్ స్టేటస్ మనం ఏం చెప్పలేదు కదా ఇక్కడ. ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే, okay, when it is submitting the case, okay, when case is updating, okay, at that time it will send an email. Every screen what it will do is, okay, when trigger instance is updated, for example, now here you can see, okay, now I'm going to create a case. Now I'm going to create a case. See, sir, now I got the email, this one. Sir, okay, sir, now there is no email. It is trying to check the email ID. Okay, now I'm triggering this one. Okay, when we are creating a case means class instance is updated or not? Hello? Chappan mere? Sir, now why I got that fix assignment is class instance is updated. Now you are sending an email. And now I'm updating it. Now I will not get, next time I will not get any email. Now see here. Sir, now in this scenario, not case updated. Okay, sir, now how we are implementing is, now you can observe. Okay, I will show you some different way. So now when we are updating the case, at that time automatically it will say, now see, now we will not get this fixed correspondence. See, now I didn't get any email also. Okay, I didn't get any email. Why? Because I updated some condition. Now see, Arjun dot PEGA. Sir, whenever user is submitting the assignment, at that time it will send an email. Sir, whenever user is submitted the assignment, automatically now it will send an email. Sir, now see, now I will get the one email. Everywhere. Why? Because the class instance is updating, right? Now see, now I got the email or not? Phone number update. Okay, 1 minute. Loan case state update also we will get. Okay, go here. Loan case status update. Loan update. Okay, this one why we got old template. Okay, sorry. Here, okay, we need to change this one, right? Loan status update. Okay, so now see here, when now again, okay, now when I'm going to submit the assignment now, okay, now I'm going to submit the assignment. Now again I will, now it will, okay, when you are updating, submitting the assignment means Okay, you are updating that class. So now again, now it will send one more email. One more email. Okay, whenever user is performing some action on this particular case, means he is committing something. Okay, at that time, what logic you implemented in activity, that logic it will execute. Okay, that logic it will execute. Not only to send an email. Sir, now I want to save this data into some table. Sir, now I got one more email. So now you can define case status also here. Sir, if this case status is okay, this one list of case statuses, then only I want to send an email. When case reach it to this particular status, okay, reach it to this particular state, then only I want to send an email. Otherwise, I don't want to send an email. For example, if your requirement is like that. Okay, if your requirement is like that. Now see here, okay, now I will jump to the previously. Now, when you are submitting the assignment, at that time, it is sending an email. Okay, it is sending an email, right? Now see here, just like 1 minute. Okay, now see, okay, now when you are submitting the assignment at that time, so now you can update the case status also. What I will do is PY status work. Sir, when okay, PY status work, like that, now you can update list of statuses. Now see, previously when I'm submitting the assignment, at that time, immediately okay, it is triggering the email. Okay, it is triggering the email. Okay, it is sending an email. Now see here. Okay, whether it is sending an email or not, now we can see. Okay, now whether I got any email. Why? I added condition, right? Equal to, then only you can send an email. Case status is this one, right? Why we got the email? I checked in or not? Okay, this one. Case status is okay. Verification equal to case status is this one. Okay, now why it is sending an email? Okay. So if this condition is satisfied, case status is this one or this one? Oh, why? Okay, now again I am going to submit this one. Enter some value and submit. Okay, now I didn't get any email. Okay, fine. Now we again submit the case. Okay, now also I didn't get any email. Oh, okay. Here nothing, right? Even previously also nothing. No case is up. Okay, now see here. So now, okay, when you are creating a case, when you are submitting a case, okay, now we are not okay. It is not triggering any email ID. Even now also you can see here. Okay, now I'm entering the email ID. Okay, now I'm entering the email ID. Click on submit. Now it is not sending an email. Now we can define the when condition. Now we can see here. Okay, it's not received any email. Okay, now see here. Now case is moving to okay verification. Directly I'm moving to the verification. Now it will update the case state. So now it will update the case state. Now we can see here. Now I will receive the email. So now I got the email or not. Now we can see here. Hello. Come on. Now I got the email or not. Now case status is pending verification. Immediately it is triggered the email. Okay. Okay, this is about declarative rules. Okay, what I will do is, okay, when I'm going to discuss about report definition at that time, we'll discuss about declare index, and this one also separate, okay, separate class, we will discuss about data pages. Okay, that's it about declarative rules. We'll discuss tomorrow about exception handling. Okay, thanks all.